In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Taobao or 1688 using Alipay. If you shop or source products from these platforms, using Alipay to log in is fast, secure, and convenient. Before we start, make sure you have the Alipay app installed on your phone and that you're already signed in there. You'll also need an internet connection on both your phone and the device you're using to browse Taobao or 1688. Begin by opening a web browser and going to either taobao.com or 1688.com. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. If the site language is in Chinese, don't worry, the login flow is the same. On the home page, look for the login button, which you'll usually find at the top right. It may show the characters Donglu. Click that to open the sign-in options. From the login methods presented, choose Alipay login, which may appear as Zifu Bao Donglu. This option will trigger a QR code to appear on your screen. Keep that page open and visible. QR codes are time sensitive on many sites, so if it times out, you can refresh the page to generate a new one. Now pick up your phone and open the Alipay app. On the app's home screen, tap the scan feature, represented by a small camera icon. If it's your first time using this feature, grant the camera permission when prompted so the scanner can work correctly. Point your phone at the QR code displayed on your computer or browser. Hold it steady and make sure the entire code is within the frame. In a moment, Alipay will recognize the code and show you a confirmation screen indicating that Taobao or 1688 is requesting a login. Always take a second to verify the domain or site name on this prompt so you know you're authorizing the correct website. When you're ready, tap Confirm Login in the Alipay app. Almost instantly, your browser should recognize the approval and complete the sign-in. If your screen doesn't update, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. If the QR code expired while you were scanning, just reload the login page to get a fresh code and scan again. That's it. You're logged in successfully. The same steps work for both Taobao and 1688. Once inside, you can access your account, view orders, and continue shopping or sourcing. For best results, keep your Alipay app updated, make sure your camera is clean and has permission, and avoid public or shared devices when possible. And if you're on a shared computer, remember to log out when you're done.